Good morning, student. Today we will discuss the subtraction of algebraic expression. How to do subtraction? Firstly, we will take the simple expressions. Suppose I want to subtract, that is minus 5abc from 7abc. I want to subtract 5abc from 7abc. Then what result we will get? You know, in subtraction, after from we write down firstly it's 7abc minus 5abc. Firstly, whenever we do the addition subtraction operation performed, then there should be like term. If there is no like term, then we can write down directly, but we can't solve it. So here see ABC, here also ABC, all the variables are same and power also they have same. That's why these are like term. So how to do subtract? We will subtract only on the numerical coefficient, that is 7 minus 5 and have same literal coefficient. Then you got the answer 2abc. If we are solving this type, then this is called the horizontal method. And if we write down like this 7abc and downside 2abc, then do subtraction, then this is called a column method. In this we know 7 minus 2 now 5abc. Suppose now the same question, if I change the sign in this question, second I write down subtract minus 5abc from 7abc. Then how to solve it? Firstly we write down 7abc minus, whenever you have the sign negative, then firstly put in parenthesis or any bracket. Now see 7abc minus minus plus 5abc. Now both the literal coefficient same, then it becomes 7 plus 5, then abc, then our answer 12abc. You can see easily that if you change the sign, then result also will change. Suppose I take like this, that subtract 5abc from minus 7abc. Then in this case what we will do? Firstly we write down minus 7abc, then 5abc. We want to do subtract. It means we will change the sign. This is plus and here we will take minus. Then in this case minus 7 minus 5 both become negative, and minus 7 minus 5 both are negative. Then how to solve it? Minus minus plus, it means we will take 7 plus 5. Both are negative, then our complete answer will come in negative, then our answer is minus 12. So our answer will be minus 12abc. Another thing, see that I write down minus 5abc from minus 7abc. Subtract minus 5abc from minus 7abc. Then what will we do? Firstly write down minus 7abc minus 5abc. But we want to subtraction. If we want to do addition, then there is no change into the sign, we will take the directly result. But if we are doing the subtraction, then firstly see this value sign is negative, then it will change into the positive. Or if this is positive, see here this is positive, in this case this is positive, then firstly we will change into the negative. Now solve it. Now it becomes minus 7 plus 5. Minus plus minus, then I already say in the bracket write down 7 minus 5, or subtraction is always take firstly greater value minus smaller value. But sign we will consider here, which one is greater? 7. With 7 we have negative sign, then obviously our answer come in negative. Then I will get minus 2abc. To see the sign, role of sign plus or minus. If we change the sign positive to negative, negative to positive, then result also will change. So do properly your calculation with the sign. Okay, this is a simple expression how to solve it. If we have binomials in subtraction, then how to solve? Suppose I write down subtract 3a minus 2b from 5a minus 4b. How to subtract it? You can use any method, horizontal method or maybe column method. Suppose I am using firstly horizontal method. After from this 5a minus 4b. So firstly I write down 5a minus 4b. I am doing the subtraction, it means I will put sign here negative. Minus sign, then in the bracket I write down the next polynomial. Now solve the parenthesis. Minus 3a minus minus plus 2b. Nothing is here, it means 1 here. It means we are multiplying by 1. Or these are doing subtraction like this. 5a minus 3a, like term, minus 4b plus 2b, like term. 5 minus 3, like term, it means we will solve the constants, numerical coefficient. Then here minus 4 plus 2, I already said whenever you solve it, then firstly put the sign plus, then take as it is sign. 5 minus 3, 2, 2a, plus minus 4 plus 2, yes, plus minus minus, it means 4 minus 2, but greater value is 4, sign have negative, so we write down like this. 2a plus minus minus 2b. Both the terms are different, then our answer is 2a minus 2b. So this type we will solve the subtraction of binomials. Another example take. Okay, subtract these type of question again. 3a minus 4b from 2a minus 5. How to use the column method? In the last example we solved by the horizontal method. Now we are using column method. In column method, firstly we write down 3a minus 4b, after from we write down firstly 2a minus 5b, then we write down 3a minus 4b. Now see, we are doing the subtraction. It means we change the sign of this term, positive then negative, this minus then here plus. Remember this thing, whenever you are doing the subtraction, then downside or in second row, these are the binomial, firstly change the sign of it. Now we will consider this sign, 2a minus 3a, it means a, same term, so we write down 2 minus 3 into a, plus I write down, this is same term, minus 5, and this sign is plus 4 into b. 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 plus minus minus, then obviously 3 minus 2, but negative sign is with this, then we get minus 1. And minus 1, there is no need to write down 1, minus a, plus same 5, minus 5 plus 4, 5 minus 4 1, but negative sign here, then minus b. Then our answer is minus a minus b. So this type we will solve by the column method. I will prefer horizontal method, and it's your wish which type of method you want to use. Another example, suppose I take subtract minus 3a plus 2b plus c from 5a minus 2b plus c. It's your wish which method you want to use. I'll use the horizontal method. Then firstly I write down 5a minus 2b plus c. We are doing subtraction. Put subtraction sign and next thing take in bracket minus 3a plus 2b plus c. See now 5a minus 2b plus c. Firstly change the sign, minus minus plus 3a minus plus minus 2b minus plus minus c. Now solve the like term 5a plus 3a. Now you know that we have to add only numerical coefficient, then 5 plus 3 8a. I am writing directly 8a minus 2b minus 2b. It means we get answer in negative, minus 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 2 minus 2 minus minus plus, it means 2 plus 2 plus, but sign we will take negative, then your result minus 4b plus c minus c, then obviously cancel out, then our result is 8a minus 4b. So this type we will solve the subtraction. Another examples. Okay, if I want to solve this by column method, then firstly I write down 5a minus 2b plus c, then I write down minus 3a plus 2b plus c. We are doing the subtraction. Firstly change the sign, minus 3 convert into plus, plus convert into minus, here also minus. Now see 5a plus 3a, so 5 plus 3 8a, minus 2 minus 4b plus c minus c, cancel out, you can write down 0 or nothing write down, then answer is 8a minus 4b. So this type we will solve our subtractions type of question. Suppose I write down subtract 2a minus 3b from 0, then firstly we write down 0, then I write down subtraction sign, then I write down in bracket 2a minus 3b. Now solve it, 0 minus 2a minus minus plus 3b, then our answer become minus 2a plus 3b. So this type we will solve it. Another example take, suppose I write down subtract 3a minus 4b from 3a minus 4b. If I am using column method, 3a minus 4b, firstly I write down this value, then downside this. Subtraction we are doing, it means we firstly change the sign, plus 3a change into minus, minus 4b plus change into plus, then 3a minus 3a 0, minus 4b plus 4b also, plus or minus anything write down 0, it means your answer is 0, or we can write down directly, cancel out, then our answer is 0. So this type we will solve our subtraction questions. More type of question related to subtraction we will discuss in our next lecture. So try your exercise based on this question and do your examples also. Thank you.